Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I belong to a group called the Ultra Light DX Group on the internet, and they have a lot of members, and their main interest is medium wave DX, and they look for small portable radios that they can take out in the field, and they build external antennas for medium wave, loop antennas for medium wave, to increase their chances of getting radio stations that are far away. And one of the most active members is Paul Blundell. And yesterday he put out this email to the group saying, recently I've seen some messages from new members asking about, what radios to start with. Below is a list of the reviews I've written. And he says, I'd like to see others do the same thing, list their reviews. Now, when we go to his webpage, you will recognize it because I've shown it to you before, because it's a fantastic webpage for radio information, not just medium wave. And these are posts on, just some of the posts on this webpage about radios that he's reviewed that he feels is maybe a good starting radio. So let's just try one of these. Yes, I want to go to the link. And there it is, Ultralight Radio DXing website. There's the address right there. I've showed you this before because he's reviewed radios that in general we're interested in that have shortwave. And this is one of his reviews. This is of the Digitech AR1733, and it's medium wave, FM, long wave, shortwave, airband. So it's pretty universal. So this is seems like a pretty good radio as a starter. And he said it costs between $30 and $60. Here's the specs on the radio. Shortwave is 2.3 to 26, so pretty wide band on shortwave. He starts talking about the features, functions. Goes into a lot of depth. And then here he says now on how it works. And then he finally talks about medium wave, which is what this group is about, that he made the post on. And then he does updates. Got lots of updates on experiences he's had with this radio. There it is. Probably look very familiar to other radios. Same radio with different names on it. And here's an update. He just did this. And he says, continue to find this radio very useful, and I'm using it as my main DX radio. Now, here he's speaking mainly about medium wave DX. I've noticed that this radio is very sensitive to batteries, and the most recent set I have purchased do not provide great battery life. So it eats batteries. I've also found that the radio via the earphones has developed a slight hiss. Good information here. And then he gets comments. So let's go back to the top here. So you can see these are all these articles, and they're not just about radios, they're about radio stations. Here's one on airband. Listen to the airband. So here's all the articles that he's done. Look at them. Tons of articles. This is a great website just in general. There it is again. ultralightradiodxing.com, blogspot.com. Great website. Let me go back now. So this is just one. And these are, I believe what he's saying is, for people that are just getting started, here's some reviews of some radios. And he has a lot more. And what I'll do is I will capture this and put it in the first comment below this video, so you can take these links. And actually you only have to take one, and then you're on his webpage, and then you can go look for other reviews of interesting radios that have other bands that he talks about, such as shortwave. We just look what else he's got here just in this short list. Whoa, here's the Rectivus V115. Let's just see what he says about that. Yes, I want to go there. So there it is, very familiar. And here's actually links to other reviews. Talks about his first impression, 5 days in, 6 days in, how he's, tried other things, 7 days. Wow, he really goes into a lot of detail. I wonder what he's... The issue I raised above with the earphones has been tracked down to the earphones I was using, and not the radio itself. I've tried it with... Okay, so this is on this radio. He thought there was also a problem using the earphones, but it turned out to be the earphones he was using. Here's some stations he's found, both using his AR 1733 versus the V115. Looks like the 1733 did a lot better. There's his setup. Lots of pictures too. He does a fantastic job of showing you pictures. Oh, there's my response. Finally post here in the other group. I hope to show your comments on my YouTube channel. Okay, I've done this before. I've showed you this page before. This was August of last year. And he's nice enough to let me do that. So you need to really check out his webpage. Like I say, it's not just for ultralight radios. Like I said, this article is about the V115 AM/FM shortwave. The other one was AM/FM shortwave in airband. And he tests all those bands, not just medium wave. So I appreciate Paul letting me show you this, and I will attempt to put the link to those reviews in the first comment below this video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.